estate is not to be entered into lightly, but reverently, discreetly, and soberly. Who brings this woman to marry this man?
He's back there.
Stand up,
Daddy! He does.
This is the time that you have chosen to become husband and wife. We are here not only to witness your commitment to each other, but to wish you every happiness in your future life together. Marriage is founded on sincerity and understanding, which leads to tolerance, confidence, and trust. We believe that those qualities which have attracted you both to each other can be best developed during a life spent together. A happy marriage will enable you to establish a home with love, stability, where your family and friends will always be welcome. As an expression of your mutual desires and purpose of being joined in marriage, you will please join right hands. You may have to give those flowers down. Okay. Hannah, will you have this man to be your husband, to live together in marriage? Will you love him, comfort him, honor and keep him in sickness and in health, and forsaking all others, and be faithful to him as long as you both shall live? Jeremy, will you have this woman to be your wife, to live together in marriage? Will you love her, honor and keep her in sickness and in health, and forsaking all others, and be faithful to her as long as you both shall live?
I do.
Love bears all things, believes all things, hopes all things, endures all things. Love never ends. Jeremy, repeat after me. I give you this ring.
I give you this ring.
You got it? As a symbol of my love for you.
As a symbol of my love for you.
My personal gift to you.
My personal gift to you.
And my personal promise of love, trust.
My personal promise of love, trust.
Pride.
Pride.
That you are my wife.
That you are my wife.
Hannah, repeat after me. I give you this ring.
I give you this ring.
As my love for you.
As a sign of my love for you.
My personal gift to you.
My personal gift to you.
And my personal promise of love, trust, and pride. That you are my husband.
And my personal promise of love, trust, and pride.
Now that Hannah and Jeremy have given themselves to each other by solemn vows, with the joining of hands and giving the receiving of rings, I, in accordance with the state of Maine, pronounce that you are husband and wife, and you can kiss the bride.
Hold on. Hold on a second.
I went too quick for you, huh?
Yeah.